I'm getting ready to work on this. And I've been kind of debating how to start. And I think from a lot of the stuff I've looked at, I don't know how they go about doing it. But from the way I want to put it together, I think I'm going to do like a quarter at a time instead of trying to put a whole and work on the whole thing at once. So I'm going to start in the upper right hand corner. Let's see what happens. Okay, I'm going to be up here working. That's not to say I want to complete the upper right hand corner tonight. I probably won't complete any particular area. And when it's done, then I can go back and put in some stuff. Yeah, I'm starting off with a really dark because I can put in some like lighter rock and stuff. Beginning to question this decision already. Let's just go ahead and do this. I'll come in with some other colors for lighter. I am just so uncertain of what I am doing. Let's start from here. Yeah. Okay. do you think of where I'm at so far? Does that look like it could be part of a mountain? Or does it look more like a layer cake? I don't know. I'm not unhappy. I think it's, so far, it's doing okay. I'll be putting other stuff in later, like, you know, trees and, well, let's get up here. I'll be putting other things in later, like, you know, once I get all this background work done, like trees and moss and I suppose some grasses, and then the colors of the water and reflections, if I can get that, if I can be that. Anyway, I don't know if I'm going to be any good at putting reflections in, but I will try something. So I'm going to stop with this right now, but I'm not going to make both sides of the mountain exactly the same. That just doesn't make sense. And we'll get another approximately quarter of it done. Okay, at least, well, the background part. I'll see you tomorrow. Be sure to subscribe, click that notification bell, give me a thumbs up. Oh, my thumb's clean. I don't have any paint on it. And I'll see you tomorrow. God bless.